Hey guys, this is my 1999 Yamaha Phaser FZS 600 and that I've had street fighted in the last couple of months. It used to be red and I went and sprayed it all white just to give it a little bit of a refresh, a bit more of a modern look. At the moment I'm just looking to try and swap my HT coils plug caps. Thinking I have an issue where it seems to be blowing out the spark plug on me. So what I'm going to do is, I've never done this before, so I've got these new NGK spark plug caps here, and this is the original one. I can see inside here when I shine the light in it that it's kind of a little bit burnt, but it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't smell funny either. So what I'm going to do is try and plug the new one in and start it up and see if it makes any difference. I probably won't know until I drive tomorrow. It's a bit too late here at this time to do it, so yeah, so let's just see. I'll plug this in here, and it's got to screw it into the end of the HT coil right here. I'm not sure what sort of condition that's in. It doesn't exactly look fantastic, but yeah, I'll screw it in here and plug it back on and start the bike up and just see how that goes. I'll put the camera over here so you guys can see me do it. See how this works out. So I'm going to put the weather stripping on first onto the HD lead. Just like this. I'll show you that. Guy down there. So that's the weather stripping on there. You know what? Let me put this here. Let's see. Okay, so we gotta fit it on here. That's what I'm gonna try and do. Let's just see how this goes. As I said, it's my first time doing this, so not really 100% clued up on it, but I'll try anything once. Okay, so I gotta screw the plug cap in here. Okay, let's try that. Let's see, so here it is. Screw this in. Imagine that's it. Screw it in anyways. A bit easier than expected. So this is the finished product. I'm just gonna fit that down there in on top of the spark plug. So they're actually quite small. Nearly say it's a bit too good to be true. The new cap looks very good, so let's start it up and just see how that goes. Not really sure, but let's see how we get on. This camera here. Firing anyway. that goes. Might swap out 2 more maybe, and then go from there then next. Yeah, I think so we'll do. Yeah, so this is my 99 phaser. The old camera somewhere. Let's give you guys a better look at the bike. So you can see that's actually the original headlight and front end setup, but the fairings are removed. We've got the bar end mirrors as well on there, which are pretty cool, I think. Got them off eBay. The bike is run pretty much every day. It's my commuter and I depend on it quite a lot. You've got some new Michelin tyres on there as well. But let's see, I'll swap out 1 or 2 more of those HT leads and check it out.